Hi, this is Michelle Roebuck, and I want to thank you for watching this video on Make Money Online 2021 and how to get started in affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is the best way to get started when you want to make money online. And I feel it's the best ways because you don't have to create your own products. You don't have to stock products. You don't have to ship any products. You don't have to do any customer service. You don't have to collect the money, when people pay. All you do is promote the product or service of that company, and then the company will pay you a commission when someone makes a purchase. Okay? And this right here, what I have in front of my screen here, called multiple income funnel. It is called a sales funnel system. And the job of this particular sales funnel system is to promote, is to do the selling and telling for you of multiple streams of income so you don't have to. So let me show you exactly how this works. I'm going to show you a diagram here. This is the sales funnel system right here. Now, what happens is that with multiple income funnel, what you do is once you set everything up, and you'll get information about that once you join, you're going to get your affiliate links up here. Okay, so you just choose an affiliate link, and that affiliate link is going to go to what's called a lead capture page. Now, the main focus for this lead capture page, the only thing that is there for is to capture the email address of people that you send to that page to get information about what you're promoting, which is the multiple income funnel. Okay, so that's the only purpose of this page right here. All right, is to get the email address of your leads. Okay, so when someone puts in their email address, two things are going to happen. Okay, they put in their email address so they can get more information about your offer. The first thing that happens is that they're going to go on an email list right here. Okay, and then they're going to go to what's called a video sales letter. This video sales letter is provided by the company Multiple Income Funnel. And this sales letter, this video sales letter, does the selling of the multiple income funnel on your behalf. Okay, so now the reason that these people also go on the email list is because 99% or even more, even 100% of people who watch this video sales letter are not going to go ahead and sign up for multiple income funnel. That's just the way it is, because people need to be exposed to the offer several times before they make a decision to join your opportunity or not. Okay, so what happens is that when they're placed on this email list, this system right here, the multiple income funnel, they're going to do what's called email follow-ups to your leads on your behalf. These are follow-up emails that go out every day to your leads, and the purpose of these emails is to direct them back to the video sales letter. And people, they need to be exposed to the offer several times. It could be 7, 8, 10, 12, 15 times before they decide, okay, I'm going to join. All right, so that's why you need this follow-up system in place. And the great thing about this system is that you don't have to do the follow-up yourself unless you want to do something extra so people get to know you as a person and know who they're going to be joining. Okay, I do highly advise you to do that, but you don't have to. The system will take care of that for you. So when they order, they pay $49 per month for the multiple income funnel. And again, what you're getting for that $49 per month is a full sales funnel system with all of the lead capture pages, the video sales pages. It also keeps track of your leads and the people who join you in multiple income funnel. And it also provides training in the resources area, We have live weekly training every Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. We have a daily wake-up call inside of our private Facebook group Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. They have contests, as you can see right here. There's a contest going on right now. There's going to be another contest next month where you can win all kinds of prizes. And you can also win free traffic, which is the first part of this sales funnel system, the traffic right here. And traffic is just simply getting people to see your offer, getting people to this lead capture page. All right. So if you don't know how to drive traffic to an offer, you don't have to worry about that with this system, because they provide the traffic under this traffic tab right here. And that traffic is also one of the income streams that you can sign up for, called Traffic Authority. Okay, they provide traffic to your system. Okay, they have several different traffic packages you can choose from, and you can choose whichever one you want based on your budget. All right, so going back here to step 1. So when they purchase $49 per month for the system, you're going to earn a $20 per month residual commission. All right. So that is income stream number 1, which is under step 2 here. And I'll go over those steps real quick. But income stream number 1 is the funnel system itself, where you can earn $20 per month residual monthly commissions, okay, for as long as they stay with the system. And then they go through the steps right here to set up their system, to set up their other income streams, to set up how they're going to get paid, and to also watch the back office tour. So let me go over these steps real quick. So when you join Multiple Income Funnel, the first step, all you have to do is watch this 3-minute video and then join our private Facebook group. And it's very important that you join that group, because there's always announcements being made inside the group. There's contests, and you can win free traffic, and all sorts of things happening back there. And if you have any questions, you can always ask inside the group, and there are plenty of people, including myself, who are willing to help you with your questions, help you to answer your questions. Okay. Step 2 is where you set up your income streams. Now there are 4 different income streams. The first one is already set up when you purchase the Multiple Income Funnel, because it is the funnel system itself where you're earning those $20 per month residual commissions. The next income streams 2, 3, and 4, these are optional income streams. You don't have to join all of these if you don't want to. The only thing I'll say is that if you bring somebody into Multiple Income Funnel and they join one of the income streams you're not in, or they buy a package that's higher than where you came in at, you're not going to receive a commission. You only receive commissions on the products that you purchased. Okay? Fair enough. All right? So you can pick and choose which income streams you want to join, or you can join all of them. It all depends on what your budget is. So if you have a small budget or a tight budget, just stick with Multiple Income Funnel and pick up income stream number 4 to get your traffic. Okay? And as you see commissions coming in, you can save up your commissions to get into these other income streams if you want to, or you don't have to. Okay? But I do advise to at least get into income stream 2, because you're going to earn 100% commissions when other people join Easy 1-Up, which is income stream 2, and they purchase one of the product packages that you happen to own. Okay, you'll receive 100% commissions. Now you're going to learn about each one of these income streams when you get inside. There's a video for each one of them to explain what they are, how the commission payout works for each one of these programs, and how to get started. Okay? Step 3 is to set up your e-wallets so you can get paid. All right? And just follow this video and set up your e-wallets. Step 4 is the back office tour, where it shows you what all of these links are back here. I'm not going to go over these links because this back office tour goes over these links in detail. Okay, so you get your affiliate links here, and you can purchase your traffic here, which goes to Traffic Authority, which is income stream number 4. Now, another place that's really important for you is to click on this resources tab and then click on training. Okay, so you want to go through this first training called the 7 Steps to Success with Myth. These are short videos, so it won't take you long to go through them, and there's a worksheet for each one of them, and this will help you to get started in your new business. Now, in lesson 7, which is the last lesson, is called Launch and Bonus. There is a bonus here that you want to pay attention to, because if you bring 3 people into multiple income funnel, if 3 people sign up using your affiliate link in the first 30 days, then you're going to receive 500 free clicks from Traffic Authority. Okay, so if you sign up 3 people into multiple income funnel in your first 30 days, you get free 500 clicks from Traffic Authority. So I just wanted to point that out. And there's other training in here, like our weekly training calls that I talked about before, every Monday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All of the recordings are back here in the back office, so you can see all of them. And I suggest starting with the first one, because the trainer, his name is Daniel, he goes over what he calls the success curve, and this is very important on how you can grow your business over time, because this is not a get-rich-quick program. All right, you're not going to make money overnight. It may take some time for you to make money, especially if you're on a tight budget. Maybe you cannot afford to buy traffic from Traffic Authority, where you can watch this training, Facebook and social media marketing, and it'll show you how to generate free traffic for your offer. Okay, but any income claims that I make or anybody else makes regarding multiple income funnel are not intended to serve as a guarantee of income. Instead, they're designed to give you an idea of what's possible. Success in this business requires hard work, and it does take work for this to be successful. Okay, so I'm not saying that you can just come in here, set up your system, drive some traffic, and boom, you're going to make money. It's going to take some time, because like I said with this diagram here, it takes several times for people to see your offer before they decide whether they're going to join you or not. Okay, so people can be on an email list for months before they decide to join you. Now, some people who have more experience, yes, they're going to have more results than other people. Okay, they're going to have results right away. But for those who are newer, it may take you some time. But with the training here in the back office, this training will help you get started as quickly as possible, generating traffic using either free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, or a combination of both. And I suggest a combination of the two. And there are interviews with people who are having great success with this business, and they're going over their strategies of how they're being successful. Okay, I mean, there's TikTok training in some of those training videos. Okay, TikTok is real hot right now. A lot of people are using it to drive traffic to their offer, and they're making money from it. So, and again, I don't want people to think that this is some overnight success thing, that this is a get-rich-quick program, because it's not. This is a real business, and you have to treat it like a business. You can't just treat it like a hobby or just work this business when you feel like it. You need to work this business every day. It doesn't take that long, an hour or two a day working your business, doing what's called income-producing activities, which is driving traffic to your offer. And also, if you want to do something extra to help you convert some of your leads into sales, you can contact your leads. Your leads are right here. You can send an email to your leads, letting them know that you're a real person and that if they have any questions, they can contact you. Okay? That gives it a personal touch, and that'll help to increase your conversions. Okay? So if you're ready to get started with multiple income funnel and making money online in 2021, there's not that many months left in 2021. We're already halfway through. Go ahead and click the very first link below this video in the description area to get more information and to get started with multiple income funnel. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks.